Positive affirmations are a powerful tool that reinforces your self-belief and helps you overcome challenges during exam preparation and throughout your clinical training. By repeating affirmations regularly, you cultivate a positive mindset that not only reduces stress, but also builds resilience and enhances your overall performance. For example, saying "I am capable," "I am prepared," and "I will succeed" can effectively replace negative self-talk with empowering messages. These simple statements work best when stated in the present tense, reinforcing the belief that success is happening right now. Incorporate these affirmations into your daily routine by reciting them each morning, before study sessions, or during moments of quiet reflection. You might consider writing them on sticky notes, setting reminders on your smartphone, or even establishing a dedicated time for meditation or mindfulness practices focused on these positive statements. Additionally, take some time to craft your own personalized affirmations that reflect your unique experiences and goals. There is solid neuroscientific evidence supporting the benefits of positive affirmations. The concept of neuroplasticity shows that our brain is highly adaptable and that repeated positive thinking can help form new neural pathways. Over time, these reinforced pathways enhance your emotional regulation and cognitive performance, enabling you to manage stress more effectively and perform better academically. Reinforcing self-belief with daily affirmations not only improves your focus, but also reduces anxiety. When you consistently remind yourself of your capabilities, you are better prepared to bounce back from setbacks and turn obstacles into opportunities for growth. A positive mindset nurtures a proactive approach to challenges and fosters a sense of resilience that is essential both during exam periods and in your future clinical practice. Moreover, combining positive affirmations with visualization techniques can significantly boost your confidence. Imagine yourself successfully navigating difficult exam scenarios or managing challenging clinical encounters. This practice not only reduces anxiety, but also creates a clear mental picture of success, further reinforcing your positive outlook. Remember, positive affirmations are most effective when they become a consistent part of your daily routine. They are a tool to help you stay motivated, manage stress, and maintain a resilient mindset. Over time, these affirmations will become ingrained in your thought process, helping you to consistently maintain a positive outlook, manage stress effectively, and achieve your goals. Keep these principles in mind as you prepare for your exams and your future clinical career. A strong belief in your abilities, bolstered by regular, personalized positive affirmations, will not only enhance your academic performance, but also support your overall well-being and success in clinical practice.